Hi everyone, my name is John Jardin and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to set up an echo bot test for the Bot Framework. By doing this, we confirm that our development environment is ready to go for Bot Framework development. Now there are two prerequisites in order to follow along with this video. And the first is that you need to have Nodejs and npm installed and running on your operating system. And as part of the Agility Dev Environment series, there are videos for Mac OS and Windows to go and set up your Node.js environment. I highly recommend watching these videos as I use Node Version Manager and I show you how to install multiple versions of Node.js. The other prerequisite is the other video as part of the series, which is the Bot Framework Emulator. This is where we essentially went and installed and set up our environment for Bot Framework development, and we also set up the emulator. During that video we didn't really test or do anything, and that's what this video is for. So we're going to use these two prerequisites and we are going to go and set up an echo bot test so that we can confirm our environment is ready to go for Bot Framework development. So here we have a Windows 10 environment running in my VM, and what we're going to do now is we're going to install and run an echo bot server runtime using Node.js. So to do this, we need to open command prompt, and we are going to open this as administrator. Right, so once this is open, the second thing that I want to do is I just want to navigate to the project directory where we can go and install this echo bot. And if you've been following along with this video series, we actually went and created a source tree folder on the C drive. There we go. So now that we're inside there, the next step is we need to install two global modules. The first one is Yeoman and the second one is a generator for Bot Builder. So we do that by saying npm install globally yo and generator-botbuilder. This will take a moment to run, so I'll pause the video until it's done. Right, so Yeoman and the Bot Builder generator have been installed globally, and what we can now do is we can run this in order to create our echo bot. So to do this, we just type yo and Bot Builder. So this is the generator. It already knows which generator to use, and this is going to set up a little wizard for us. I'm just going to say no over here, and it's going to ask us a bunch of questions, and we're just going to accept the default options. It's going to be JavaScript, it's an echo bot test, and shall I go? Yes, go ahead and create. Right, our bot is now ready to go, so let's test it out. Let's make sure it's working. So we do that by going into the folder, so I think it's called my chatbot, there we go. And inside there we just say npm start. And if everything got installed successfully, it will tell us, there we go, talk to your bot, open the bot file in the emulator. So let's go and launch the Bot Framework Emulator, and we are going to click on this open bot, and we're going to navigate to the folder that we've just created. So that will be on the C drive, and it will be source tree and my chatbot, and there is the bot file that was created as part of the project, and it just contains all the configurations for the emulator to point and understand where our echo bot is. So if we choose this file, it opens up the chat window immediately and we can start chatting away. So how the echo bot works is anything that I type, it will just respond that back to me. It will reply to me with whatever I typed. So if I say hello, it will respond. You said hello. How are you? There you go. So what this does is it confirms that our environment is ready to go for Bot Framework development. Okay, so that's all that we wanted to achieve in this video. Now, just on a last note, we used Yeoman and the generator for Bot Builder in order to set up our echo bot test. But the truth is, if you're following any of the other, or if you're following the Bot Framework series on the Agility YouTube channel, we're going to be taking a completely different approach to bot development. We are not going to be using these tools like Yeoman and the generators. So if you want, we can go ahead and stop. We can go ahead and stop this bot from running, and we can go and uninstall. If you want, you can go and uninstall Yeoman and the generator for Bot Builder. And there we go, we have a clean environment. So that's it for this video. A little bit different to our previous videos. We didn't actually install anything per se. Whatever we installed, we actually ended up removing. But like I said, the only reason for this video was to ensure that our environment is ready to go for Bot Framework development. So thanks everyone for watching, and until next time, cheers.